नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स,
वेलकम बैक टू वीवर लाइव्स। तो आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं नॉर्थ ईस्ट ग्रीन समिट जो फर्स्ट टाइम सिलचर में हो रहा है एंड डॉन बॉस्को स्कूल यानी कि हमारा स्कूल और NIT सिलचर दोनों कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं। तो आइए हमारे साथ चलिए, आज का दिन में क्या क्या होता है आप लोगों को दिखाएंगे, क्या क्या हम लोग करते हैं वो भी दिखाएंगे। तो चलिए,
बने रहिए हमारे साथ।
चलिए।
We are heading towards the खुदीराम बोस स्टैचू
जो हमारा स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट होगा आज का नॉर्थ ईस्ट ग्रीन समिट का।
वी आर रियली एक्साइटेड। हम क्या करेंगे आप लोगों को दिखाएंगे सब कुछ।
And today is the North East Green Summit, and here in Silchar we are celebrating the 6th North East Green Summit where our school, Don Bosco School, as well as NIT Silchar, is organizing an event and rally. So we are right now in Khudiram Bose statue and our end point is Goldie Mall. So yeah, we'll show you everything. So come on, let's go with us. तो गाइज हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं और ऑलमोस्ट सब लोग आ चुके हैं यहाँ पे। Collection of masks and other gloves and other stuffs is going on right now.
আস্তে আস্তে করে প্লিজ প্রসিড, একটু সোশ্যাল ডিস্টেন্সিং মেনটেন করে আস্তে করে যখন আমরা তিনটা আর একটু টাইমটা স্পেন্ড হবে এন্ড উইল বি গোয়িং অন উইথ আ ক্লিনলিনেস ড্রাইভ। আমাদের এই ভেহিকলটাও ঘুরবে, এই ভেহিকল থেকে আমরা লাইট রিফ্রেশমেন্ট শেয়ার করবো সবার সাথে, ঠিক আছে? অ্যান্ড
for taking this initiative and coming forward with all of us for a cleaner and greener Silchar. Now at this point of time we know that this is the call of the hour. We youth need to wake up to have a clean Silchar, and it is not possible for the administration alone to go ahead with this idea or this initiative. We need your support not only today but every day and throughout, so that one day Silchar will be called a clean city. Till date it is said that Silchar is one of the dirtiest cities of Assam. So let us work for it with a motive that we shall have a clean Silchar. Now this is also an event to kickstart the Green Summit, which will be starting on the 16th of November and continue till the 18th of November to 2021. And since it's a green summit, so we thought let's start with this symbolic gesture of cleaning Silchar. I once again thank you all for being with us, for supporting us. I now request Reverend Brother Reggie, the manager of Don Bosco School Silchar, to speak a few words.
Thank you, Madam Dudley. It is indeed overwhelming to see so many youngsters armed with brooms, gloves, and equipments for a mission. As Madam Dudley has rightly mentioned, we are going to kickstart one of the biggest kind of movement, I can say a revolution, to make change in Silchar and make change in Northeast. I take this opportunity to thank all my alumni members, very strong and faithful, energetic alumni members of Don Bosco, through whose initiative they have gathered this army of youngsters. And I have got complete confidence that a movement started by students who have acquired value, education, competence, confidence, and they are back in the world, mingling with youngsters of their age, and they will be a catalyst in making a change, bringing out a kind of a green revolution, clean revolution in Silchar, Barakwali, Northeast India. I have been in this town for the past 16 years. I have seen the young men and women, boys and girls who are taking the leadership are small young boys and girls, toddlers. I have seen the dirt of Silchar 16 years back. I have seen all these points 16 years back. The dirt remains the same. The untidiness remains the same. We need to change our concept. We need to change our mentality. Madam has rightly said, previous year, 2 years back, before Corona, there was a survey taken and Silchar was considered to be the second most dirty city in the country. Now, do we allow this city to continue in this way? Is it the responsibility of the municipality corporation, municipality workers? Is it the responsibility of the administration, or is it the responsibility of me as each and every individual citizen of this city to make a change? The change has to come from our neighborhood. Change has to come from our home. Change has to come from our room. Change has to come from the table on which you do the studies. Is your room tidy? Is your table tidy? Is your home tidy? Is your neighborhood tidy? Is your shop tidy? Is your offices tidy? If that can be ensured by each and every individual of this Silchar can be the cleanest city in the country in 1 year's time.
और यहाँ डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को हमारे स्कूल के द्वारा फेलिसिटेट किया जा रहा है.
Various organizations were the Rotaract Club, the Leo Club, the Eco Alarmist NGO, the Life NGO, Don Bosco School Silchar, and the Robin Hood Army,
Leo Club of Silchar,
and also the Silchar Municipal Board.
A huge round of applause for them, please. Robin Hood Army. A member from the Robin Hood Army. And thank you so much. You have the maximum number of participants. Rotary Club of Silchar. Rotary Club of Silchar. A member from Life, Every Soul Matters. A cadet from NCC Silchar unit. And a member from the cleaning group of Silchar Municipality Board. Don Bosco Alumni Group, a member. I request Richard to come forward, please. And one student from Don Bosco School Silchar. Anyone from Don Bosco School Silchar? Thank you everyone, and let's start off our journey from this moment onwards, a journey which will continue for years. Thank you so much.
Yes guys, so we are heading towards Goldie Mall and we'll go there and we'll show you हम लोग क्या क्या करते हैं.
सब कुछ आप लोगों को दिखाएंगे, बने रहिए हमारे साथ.
Stay tuned guys. Bye.
So, while heading towards the Goldie Mall, let us give you a brief introduction about the Northeast Green Summit. The Northeast Green Summit, brought to you by Vibgyor Northeast Foundation, has achieved levels of success over the previous editions. This year, the 6th Northeast Green Summit will be hosted by Don Bosco School Silchar and the National Institute of Technology Silchar over a 3-day event spread across 2 venues. This event is organized for creating an awareness and drive one's side towards the conservation of the biodiversity, art and culture of Barak Valley and northeastern states at large.
So guys, हम गोल्डी मॉल पहुंच चुके हैं and the cleanliness drive has just begun. तो देखते रहिए हमारे साथ.
The mission of Northeast Green Summit 2021 is to serve the green cause, to raise awareness and empower people with the knowledge of the rich and diverse natural habitat, biodiversity and cultural heritage that the northeastern region of India is bestowed with.
Our teachers are also taking active part in the cleanliness drive. हमारे teachers हमारे students के साथ एक साथ मिलके hand in hand मिलके हम लोग काम कर रहे for clean and green Silchar. We hope that through this video हमारे सिल्चर के लोगों के अंदर awareness बढ़े ताकि हम लोग और clean और green कर सके हमारे सिल्चर को. Let us come together and make Silchar green and clean.
Over a 3-day event spread across 2 venues. So stay connected. And today we have started our event with this cleanliness drive. Thank you.
तो गाइस, क्लीनलीनेस ड्राइव अभी ख़त्म हो चुका है. अभी हम लोग कुछ फ़ोटो सेशंस करेंगे, उसके बाद हम लोग कुछ रिफ़्रेशमेंट्स खाएंगे. ये रहा हम लोग का रिफ़्रेशमेंट्स.
Are you happy? Now everyone is having their refreshments.
We started our cleanliness drive for a clean and green Silchar as a part of the Green Summit, which is scheduled from 16th to 18th of November. On 8th of November, we have another event, the Cyclothon, and we expect all organizations to take part in it. Convey my thanks to all the organizations, Leo, Rotaract, Don Bosco Alumni, Don Bosco School Silchar, Robin Hood Army and other organizations who have actively taken part in this cleanliness drive, and now we hope that this drive will motivate all Silcharians to keep discipline.
तो ख़त्म हो चुका है क्लीनलीनेस ड्राइव. अभी हम लोग घर जा रहे हैं. आज का वीडियो इतना ही.
और बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. इट वॉज वेरी वेल ऑर्गेनाइज पाया. सब लोगों ने बहुत अच्छी तरह से क्लीन किया है सिल्चर को
और बहुत अच्छी तरह से कोऑपरेट भी किया है स्टूडेंट्स लोगों ने. तो हाँ, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर देना हमारे चैनल को. लाइक और देखते रहिए वर्ल्ड आइज.
Namaskar.